Morning students. Today we will learn how we can make the partners capital account. We have learnt yesterday how we can make the revaluation account. Now we will see the partners capital account. This is the second account when a partner comes in the business. So first of all we will write here by balance brought down. These are the balances of partners and amounts will be given in your question 8 lakh and 4 lakh. 8 lakh and 4 lakh. Now we will write here by general reserve. General reserve will be distributed among the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio, and old profit sharing ratio is given in your question 3:2. So we will divide, and the amount of general reserve is 1,50,000 and it will be divided into 3:2, and the amount will come 90,000 and 60,000. After doing this, we will write here by revaluation account. By revaluation account. This is the profit that is given in the revaluation account we have find out. So we will write here 93,000 and 62,000. After writing here, the main important point we will write here. C is the new partner, will bring 5 lakh as capital and 2 lakh as his share of goodwill. So we will divide here goodwill, and the amount of goodwill is given in your question 2 lakh, but the main point is actually contributed only 1,20,000 towards goodwill. The new partner brings the amount 1,20,000 actually for goodwill, but the amount of goodwill must be 2 lakh. It means 80,000 will be short amount of goodwill. What treatment will do here? First of all, we will write here goodwill and we will divide this goodwill. The amount of goodwill will be divided into the sacrificing ratio, and the sacrificing ratio or old profit sharing ratio would be the same. So we will divide here 1,20,000 into 3/5, and the amount will come 72,000, and it will be written in the column of A, and the rest amount is 48,000. In this way we will calculate the amount of goodwill, but the total of these amounts will be 1,20,000, and the amount of goodwill is given in your question 2 lakh. He brings 1,20,000. Whatever he brings, we will divide in the sacrificing ratio, and the rest amount, the short amount will be 80,000. what treatment will do here? We will write here C's capital account, and now we will see the calculation in this part. C is in the part of 1/3, so we will deduct 1 minus 1/3. The fraction will come 2/3. A's share will be 2/3 into old profit sharing ratio 3/2. 3/5. 3 will be cancelled out by 3 and 2/5 will come. In the same way, B's share 2/3 multiplied by 2/5, and the amount will come 4/15, and C's share is already given in your question, that is 1/3. Now we will find the new ratio. 2/5 is to 4/15 is to 1/3, and the new ratio will come 6/4. 6 is to 4 is to 5. Okay. Now we will write here C's capital, and 80,000 will be divided in old ratio, and the old ratio will come 3/5. 16,000 multiplied by 3, the amount will come 48,000. We will write here in the column of A, and 32,000 in the column of B. The short amount will be beared by the old partners A and B. And not only this, we will write these both amount in the part in the portion debit side. We will write here 2 A's capital, 2 B's capital, because we have written the amount in the column of A and in the column of B. So we will write these amount in the column of C, because the name of C is given in particular area, and it means this is the C's share that will be beared by A and B. So we will write in the column of C, because C is written here, and in the column of A you are seeing the amount is 48,000. So we will write here A, and in the column of C amount 48,000. This is the treatment. And B amount 32,000 is given in the column of B, but the name is of C is given here, so we will write here to B's capital, and amount will come in the column of C. And the one important thing, that one goodwill is given in your question in the asset side. It means it is the old capital, and old capital will be divided in the old ratio, and it will be written in the debit side. So we will write here to goodwill, and the amount is given 50,000. 50,000 will be divided into old ratio 3/5. 30,000 and 20,000 will come. So we will write here in the old partner column 30,000 and 20,000. After doing this, we will write here by bank. This is the entry for capital. What capital C brings in the firm, the amount will come here. In the question, C will bring in 5 lakh as capital. This amount is given in your question. So we will write here 5 lakh in the column of C. Okay. After doing this, we will calculate the balance. And the total will come 11,03,000, 6,02,000, and 5 lakh. These amounts will be written in both sides. 11,03,000, 6,02,000 and 5 lakh. Now we will deduct these amounts, total of these amounts, and the balance will be 10 lakh 73,000, 5 lakh and 82,000, 4 lakh 20,000 will come. We will write here to balance carried down, and these amounts will be transferred into balance sheet. These are the capital amounts, and capital will always come in the balance sheet, in the part of liability. Now we will see the next account. The name of next account is bank account. How we can make bank account? We will see. Particulars, amount, particulars and amount. In making bank account, first of all, we will write here to balance brought down, and the amount is given in your balance sheet. The amount of bank is 5,75,000. 5,75,000. Now from capital account we will write here to seize capital account, and amount of capital will come here, that is 5 lakh, and we will write here to goodwill. What goodwill he brings? Actually the amount will come here 1,20,000. After doing this, we will take balance and the total of this side will come 11,95,000, 11,95,000, and when 0 will be minus, the amount will be same. 11,95,000 we will write here by balance carried down. This is the amount of bank and it will be posted into the balance sheet. Thank you.